Jan Suraksha. This is one of the insurance protection scheme introduced by central government, and there are many insurance schemes introduced by central government. One among them is Jan Suraksha. Under this Jan Suraksha scheme, there are nearly 94 million government-wide benefits under this Jan Suraksha scheme. Under this Jan Suraksha scheme, which offers life and accident insurance coverage as well as pension benefits, have together enrolled nearly 940 million subscribers. Means nearly 94 crores people are subscribed to insurance extending Suraksha benefit extended by the central government. This scheme was launched by the central government in 2015. In 2015, it more than out of which 274 million under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, 580 million under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, and 90 million under Atal Pension Yojana. All these, according to the Finance Ministry, the claims worth more than 21,000 crores under PMJJBY has been settled for more than 1 million families. Under the PMSBY, claims for 3,660 crore had been settled for more than 1,84,000 families. Digitization of the claims process had ensured faster settlements and timely support reached to affected families. These are the assurances and action and achievements by the central government to support the affected families. The ministry said the schemes were designed to provide affordable financial protection, particularly to the underserved, vulnerable sections of the society. The main aim is to broaden the insurance and pension landscape by shielding citizens against life's uncertainties and fostering long-term financial resilience. This is the main object of the Jan Suraksha insurance schemes introduced by the central government. According to the regulators, analysis what is affordability, what is the cost, and what is the intermediation cost also. All these are helping to settle the insurance benefits early so that the affected families, the benefit of the insurance reaches the affected families early. This is the main purpose of Suraksha Yojanas introduced by central government from 2015. There were many in Suraksha schemes, that is under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana. All these are the insurance schemes benefit. All these are the insurance schemes available to the beneficiaries who are enrolled with under those insurance schemes introduced by the central government.